Alright, let's talk TIG gloves for a minute. This is what you're used to seeing. These are, I don't know, there's like an Amazon brand, Cayman. They're cheaper than the Tillman gloves. Great gloves. Used them for TIG welding for years. These turned into my MIG welding gloves when I switched up. They're not bad. You do lower amperage TIG welding, say stainless or regular steel sheet metal. These, not bad. Good to use. Tried and true tested. Now, if you get more involved in TIG welding and you step into the world of aluminum, these right here are going to change your life. Those, I've burnt my hands, I don't know how many times TIG welding aluminum with that. And I'm not talking high amperage, I'm talking between 100 and 150 amps on aluminum. Burnt my hands pretty bad using these gloves. These, mechanics wear, heat resistant, pricey. I want to say I paid $50, a little over $50 for these off of Zorro. But you don't feel the heat. An example of how hot aluminum get, I was pushing it. This is an example of what not to do. I was trying to get a job done. You know, it was a good customer of mine, and it needed to be done. And I said, you know, I'm just gonna make it work. I have a water cool set up now. I'll probably put a video together of that. But I went ahead and I was pounding away, I want to say like 120, 130 amps, just steady running aluminum in there. You can see straight up, set this thing on fire. This part caught on fire, but you can see how melted in this is. Look at the copper collet. You can see how discolored the copper is on that, and it's warped, burnt. Yeah. I need to say, I burnt my hands pretty bad with that. But if I had been using these, wouldn't have felt it. It's amazing the difference these things make. I mean, you can see the heat padding on these, front and back. The back's not as much, but you don't get as much heat through the back a lot of times. But it's pretty good still. And the dexterity on these is not a whole heck of a lot different than, say, these. I mean, yeah, these you get that full range. You can get a nice tight full grip with these. These, you don't close your hand up as much, but realistically for the heat savings on these, this is worth it. This is an investment to make for your own safety and for your business if you're running aluminum. I highly recommend these.